In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make customers inactive in QuickBooks Online. Before we jump in, here's why this matters. Marking a customer inactive is a safe way to clean up your customer list without deleting historical data. Their past invoices, payments, and reports remain intact, but the customer won't appear in your active lists or be selectable on new transactions. It's great for former clients, test records, or duplicates you no longer use. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Move your cursor to the left navigation and hover over All Apps. This opens a panel of tools designed to help you manage different parts of your business. If your left menu is collapsed, you may need to expand it first so you can see the labels as you hover. Next, hover over Customer Hub. This section is focused on customer-related tasks and makes it easy to get to the list you need. Now, click Customers. You'll land on your customer list, where you can search, sort, and scan through the names. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct customer by checking the display name and any identifying details, like company name or balance. This helps avoid inactivating the wrong record, especially if you have similar names. Find the customer you want to remove from your active list and click the small drop-down arrow next to their name. This drop-down opens a quick action menu tailored to that customer. From here, choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will warn you if there are any considerations, such as open transactions or linked data. That's normal. It's just confirming that you understand the customer will be hidden from active lists going forward. To finalize it, click Yes, Make Inactive. You should see a brief confirmation message, and the customer will disappear from your active view. Their historical activity remains available for reporting, and any previously posted transactions continue to affect your books exactly as before. The customer simply won't be offered as a choice when you create new sales forms. A few practical tips as you tidy up your list. Consider recording a short note in the customer's profile before you make them inactive, explaining why you archive them so future you or teammates have context. If you work in a multi-user environment, make sure you have permission to manage customers. And if the interface in your account looks slightly different, don't worry. QuickBooks occasionally updates layouts, but the Customer Hub and the Customers List remain the place to perform this action. That's it. You've cleaned up your customer list by moving an unneeded record out of your active view, while preserving every piece of history behind the scenes.